Hello everybody, this is Paul again. See, the Bible tells you go into nature, okay? So we can go into nature and find the name Yahweh and find what it's trying to preach, okay? Now the Yah part of it. The Yah is what? The masculine part. So you got down here, where am I here? Okay, the Yah part of it is what? Is the masculine part. Okay, that's cool. White part, the feminine part of it. Now Eve here has got to go back into Adam. Adam is the son. Okay? That's an easy one. Now she has got to go back into him. Now this here is kind of like your nose over here. You go like this, and you go like this, and you go like this, and then here's the mouth over here. Okay? Now this portion up in here in your nose is like the E part of it, like Eve. Okay? Now Eve has got to go back into the sun or back into Adam. So see, you got Eve right here, goes back into Adam. Now this here is kind of like Revelations 12. The woman clothed in the sun, and that's exactly what you got here. Really, really, really cool. Okay, you got your tomato plants here. Okay, there we go. You got your tomato plants. The tomato plant comes up. It's OI. You got line upon line. Okay, tomato plant after tomato plant. Okay, now after it starts growing and tomatoes get nice and big up here, and then you slice a tomato. And guess what you got? Y-H. Oops, sorry about that. Y-H-W-H. That's his name. That's what you're eating. That's what's keeping you alive. Okay, and it's all I kind of like discovered is that one right there. I'm sure there's many more. Okay, because there's stuff, with the carrots, you got it, you slice this head open and it looks like an eye over here. It looks like an eye. So, there's all kinds of fruits and vegetables that look like different parts of your body because it's supposed to be good for different parts of your body. Okay? Now, you got your eyes or your iris up here. That is the iris means the rainbow. Rainbow is he set up the rainbow with Noah. This way here, it's a promise to mankind that he will never destroy the earth again by water. Okay, and he's keeping his promise. Okay, now this is in the new covenant, the rainbow or the iris, because see, the eyes are open. The veil is the eyelids. They're open now. Okay, once your eyes are open, now you can start seeing color. Okay, the old covenant kind of like a black and white thing. The new covenant is nice and colorful. It's like the rainbow. Okay, and okay, there's all kinds of things in here to go. Oh man, there is so much. It's unbelievable. You got the brain with the sutures. Okay, forgot exactly what you call them, but your fontanelles. There are your fontanelles. So you got a threefold brain. Okay, you can argue all you want, but this is threefold brain. Okay, and your sutures. So you got your first age, your second age, and your third age. Simple, simple, simple. And then, well, I don't really have time to do it right now because I'm running low on film. So, yeah, Yahweh's name is in everything, everywhere. You got it in your trachea. Okay, you got your Y over here. Okay, and without the Y, you ain't breathing, and you actually breathe because you have glides at YHWH because you don't need no lip formation to form these here. So you got your you are breathing Yahweh, and the breath goes down into here and it splits into a Y. So, folks, there's no way around it. There is no Jehovah. There is no Jesus. There ain't no Buddha. There ain't no nothing. Okay? He says, hey, I am Yahweh, and that's the end of it. Okay? I declare the end from the beginning. That's why he is Yahweh, and that's it. He declares the end from the beginning. There is none other that can do that. Line upon line. No other can do that. Okay? So, he not only tells you in the book that the end is declared from the beginning and everything, but he shows you on this creation too. So, you have the book, you have that verified by the creation, you got that verified by yourself. There's just no way around it. He's spirit. Then he got your soul, which is Elohim. Then he got your body, which is Yahshua. Okay? That's simple. Or you got your cloud, he got your Elohim, then you got the creation. Okay? Now you got the spirit, soul in the body. That's what's animating this body, or the creation. So simple. That's the threefold Godhead. 1, 2, 3. You gotta have all three of them in order to operate this creation. There's just no other way around it. Okay, folks. That's it. Bye-bye.